Heavy rain has forced the closure of several roads and caused localized flooding in Cumbria. A number of properties in Mainsgate Road and Market Street in Milham have been affected. Copeland Council is providing sandbags, and anyone affected by flooding is asked to go to the town's fire station. There has also been some flooding in Windermere, Ings, and Kirkby-in-Furness. Cumbria Police is asking people to avoid the area. The Environment Agency has a flood alert in place for the rivers Kent and Bella. Supt Mark Pannon said, "We have been responding to calls for service this morning due to the rainfall, and some properties in Milham have been flooded. There is some disruption on roads across the county. We ask that those driving stay clear of the closures in place and take care while traveling. If you do come across a flooded road, please do not attempt to travel through as you cannot be sure of the water's depth."